Hello everyone, more so hi to the ladies. I hope you're all doing well. I start off by parting my hair. I use my Stylin dredz gel wax to help define my line. You can use a gel or a wax of your choice. This wax retails for 50 Rand at Cosmetic Connection. I went on to dampen my hair. I always work on damp hair to avoid using too much product. For this tutorial, I'm using my Eco Styler gel. This one is infused with olive oil. Discam and Clicks both sell this gel. Once my hair was saturated with the gel, I went on to comb it in the direction I was going to be laying it. So after this, I went in with my gel wax. I smeared it onto my hair and smoothed it in, and then I sectioned out the front sections of my hair for my edges. I then smoothed my hair with my nail brush. Checkers sells this brush for 13 Rand. I have left a link in the description box that will direct you to their site. I used both my nail brush and my afro comb to help detangle and smooth my hair and to lay it into position. So after tying it, I go in with more wax just to help mold it into position, and then I go in with a bit more gel. I use both interchangeably, just balance the two products out. If you don't want the gel wax, you can use the gel alone. I prefer using the two together. As long as you are using a gel that states that it gives good holding properties and you lay it properly, work in sections if you have to, your hair will be laid. So before I retie it again for the last time, I smooth in my wax. I stretch it out a bit with my afro comb. I smooth it with my brush, go in with a bit more gel if needed, and then I retie. So you repeat the process until you are happy with how the hair looks. If you feel like you need more water, go in with a bit of water, more gel, add it, wax, add it, whatever it is that you're using, add it if you feel like it's needed, and then retie your hair. So I did the same with the upper section. I dampen my hair. I smear it on and then I smooth it in. If you have thicker hair, I suggest that you work in sections. Even if you're still learning how to lay your hair, work in sections. It will make the process easier. I comb it and smooth it into position. After tying my hair, I smooth in some more wax. More wax. To lay my edges, I go in with both my wax and my gel. I didn't use any got2b glue this time around. And then you can also use some water if you feel like the hair is too oily or too stiff. So you smooth it down and go in, down and in. You do this repeatedly until you are happy with how it looks. Literally, it's a repetitive process. I go in with wax wherever it's needed. This wax helps mold the hair into position. With my gel alone, I can't lay my hair like this. The thick consistency of the gel wax is what helps mold the hair. So once I'm done with everything, I go over with my gel and I retouch wherever any touch-ups are needed. The last product I apply is always the gel. This helps to counteract any whiteness that might be caused by the gel wax. The main ingredient in the wax that I use is tea tree oil. So it's oil based and sometimes it turns white. So the gel helps counteract the whiteness. My hair felt loose, so I added another tie at the back. If you want your hair to last longer, use holding spritz and apply the oil sheen once your hair is dry. I allow my hair to dry overnight and complete the look the following day. I suggest you wear a silk or a silk-like doek at the base, and then you can wear a cotton one on top of that. I use 3 doeks. The hair I'm using is by Sublime. I purchased this hair at Cosmetic Connection a year ago and it retailed for 100 Rand. It's definitely not more than 120. I had a few white patches and I counteracted them with oil and water. So for each bun, I used 8 strands of hair. The rubber bands I'm using are from Take A Lot. They were 15 Rand. I suggest you fasten the rubber band more towards the tips of the fiber so that the bun in the center is smaller and more flat when covering your hair. I don't like how mine was protruding. You'll understand what I mean later on. So you attach the hair, you intertwine the short strands, and then you wrap them around your own bun. Make sure that the longer strands are at the bottom of the strands that you are currently wrapping around. I sectioned the strands into 2 equal parts. I intertwined them together and wrapped them around. I wanted this to be longer, so I ended up extending it with 2 more strands. So I did the same for the top bun. Please fasten your rubber band towards the ends of the strands so that it doesn't protrude like mine. As I was wrapping the hair around, I went in with some bobby pins to help secure it. So as I'm watching this, I wish I had extended or dragged this front bun more towards my ear. I also wish I had added more bobby pins to level it out. Other than that, I'm really happy with how it turned out. This was my first attempt at a hairstyle like this. This was easy and I'm certain you'll be able to recreate it should you want to. I have received questions relating to the lipstick I use. Please pause and take a screenshot of the name of the lipstick and the code. Thank you so much for watching and for returning. I appreciate your support. If you have any questions, please leave that in the comment section. I'll see you on my next one. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.